Hello friends, let's fix your inner tail light bulb so that it goes from looking like this to looking like this. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. Your vehicle should come with a flathead screwdriver. So let's get started. First, open the driver's side door. Now release the trunk. In the trunk, lift the trunk carpet. Now see, this is where all the tools are. So get that screwdriver. Now there are 8 clips on the trunk cover that we need to take off. Got it? So what you do is you get the flathead screwdriver and use it to pull the middle part out, and the whole clip check comes right out then. And now we'll just take off all the 8 clips. Now pry out that handle cover over there using the flathead screwdriver. You will see 2 Phillips head screws now. Use the Phillips screwdriver to take them both off. Now the trunk cover should just come right off. I put it somewhere safe, you don't want to get it dirty. Now we need to disconnect the electrical connector. So just grab it over there and pinch it on the bottom and pull it out. Now just twist that bulb holder left like that and it should come right out. Now to take the bulb off, press it down and twist it left. Check the video description for the correct replacement bulb. Get the new bulb, press it down and twist it right. Put the bulb connector back in place and twist it right to secure it in position. Connect the electrical connector by pushing it in. It just goes in one way, so just put it in and push it. It should click. Now those clips you took off, this is not the right way you were putting them back. Check that the middle part is pulled out when you're putting them back. Now this is good. So get 2 clips and the trunk cover and just put the 2 lower clips in place first. Like this. So that's one. Push it in. And that's the second. And now just go get all the other 6 clips and put them in place. Now get those 2 Phillips head screws and screw them in place. Just push that cover back on. Now let's go try it out. Well, that works. Looks good, right?